What is totemism, and what are its social functions? Imagine a community where everyone feels connected to a specific animal or plant, almost like they share a special bond. That's what totemism is all about. It is a belief system where groups see certain animals, plants, or natural objects as their symbols or protectors. These symbols are called totems. The idea comes from the belief that everything in nature has a spirit or soul. People believe their totem is part of their ancestors or spiritual world. In totemism, totems are more than just symbols. They representing the identity of a group or clan. For example, a tribe might see the eagle as their totem, symbolizing strength and freedom. Sometimes, the totem can be an animal like a bear or a wolf, or a plant like a cedar tree. Even inanimate objects like the sun or wind can serve as totems. These symbols help the group remember their history and spiritual connection to nature. One of the main roles of totemism is to give a community a sense of who they are. When everyone shares the same totem, they feel like they belong to something bigger than themselves. It creates a strong bond among members. This shared symbol also helps distinguish one group from another. If a community's totem is a particular animal, others will recognize their unique identity. Totemism also helps maintain social order through rules called taboos. These are behaviors that are forbidden because they might harm the totem or offend the group's spiritual beliefs. For example, a tribe with a deer as their totem might avoid hunting or eating deer. These rules keep the community respectful of their totem and help preserve social harmony. Rituals and ceremonies are often centered around totems. These events reinforce the community's connection to their totem and their ancestors. For example, a festival might honor the totem animal with dances, offerings, or storytelling. These rituals strengthen the group's spiritual ties and reminded everyone of their shared identity. In many indigenous cultures around the world, especially in North America and Australia, totemism plays a big role in organizing society. It reflects how humans see themselves as part of nature's larger system. From an anthropological view, totemism shows how beliefs and symbols shape social life and help communities create meaning. Today, the idea of shared symbols is still alive. Sports teams, for instance, use mascots or logos to representing their team spirit. Community groups might adopt a symbol that unites members and shows their common goals. While the religious aspects of totemism may not be as prominent now, the core idea of shared identity through symbols continues to influence how groups connect and organize.